Hi, this is Patrick at Brew House Supply, and we are going to teach you how to make hard cider. Today we're going to do a strawberry pear. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a gallon of water, put it in your kettle, which is going to be on your stove, stir it up, and you're going to stir 2 pounds of corn sugar into it. And as soon as it's not cloudy anymore, you're good to cool it down. So you take 2 more gallons of water at cold water, we'll cool it down. And then at that point, you're going to take those 3 gallons and then you're going to put it into your 6-gallon carboy. Your 6-gallon carboy is going to be where you're fermenting your cider. And the cider will normally come with a recipe. It'll come in a kit, and we have the ingredients on the inside, which includes yeast, sweetener, and a flavoring packet that you, based on following the directions, you'll be able to put it inside your carboy, let it ferment for 1 week. Once it's done fermenting and brings you the alcohol by volume, which is 4.7% on this, you'll then want to put it into bottles. Using carbonation drops, there's little tiny drops that you put in each bottle, and you will get 60 12-ounce bottles of wonderful strawberry pear cider. In 2 weeks, you'll be drinking it. Thank you.